यस हाय एवरीवन। सो आज के सेशन में हम मस्कुलर टिश्यू कवर कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द मस्कुलर टिश्यू, इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स. So muscle tissue, or else the muscular tissue, it's made muscle tissue is made up of long cylindrical fibers, and that fibers are arranged parallelly. Okay, so see first, each muscle है. मसल के अंदर हमें बहुत सारे बंडल्स देखने को मिलते हैं, मसल बंडल्स. एंड inside the long cylindrical fiber will be seen, that is muscle fiber. And then it will be myofibrils or myofilament. This is the arrangement. Don't worry, you will study about it complete in detail in चैप्टर लोकोमोशन एंड मूवमेंट. सो मसल के अंदर मसल बंडल्स है, उन बंडल्स in that we'll see muscle fibers, then myofibril or myofilament, which is responsible for contraction and relaxation, due to which the movement of muscle is taking place. Understood? Muscles enables movement, maintain posture, and helps the body respond to environmental changes. क्योंकि देखो, अगर हम किसी हॉट पैन को हाथ लगाएंगे, will move our hand back. So what it is doing, it's helping the body to respond to environmental changes. Okay, let's see the general features of muscles. They show contractile property, that is they can shorten or length in coordinated way. They can muscle short bhi ho sakta hai, or else it can increase its length. Not muscle, the filaments we are talking about here. Okay, uh, that is a contractile property. Apart from it, it also shows what are the other properties. If suppose this is the first property, the second property, it is elastic in nature. Okay, which means they have the ability to return to its original shape after the contraction and relaxation. Then it is extensible, it can be pulled, stretch कर सकते हैं हम. And fourth one is excitable, means it can generate it can respond to the impulses, to the stimuli. It is excitable. These are the properties of muscle. What is the function responsible for all body movement? Both voluntary, means the functions that take place according to our will, and involuntary, which is not under our control. So these muscles are of three types: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Let's study about these three muscles. The first one, skeletal muscle, also known as striated and voluntary muscle. So क्यों कह रहे striated voluntary? Let's see. Okay, let's see the structure. So basically it is cylindrical. It is long and cylindrical, and it's unbranched. We don't see any sort of branching in skeleton muscle, and it is multinucleated. मतलब बहुत सारे nucleus present है. It is multinucleated, and nucleus is present at the peripheral side. Okay, corner side में nucleus present होता है. With striations means light and dark band. कोई band dark है, तो suppose this is the dark band, so another band is light, then dark, then light band, dark, light, so on. Okay, so we will see that light and dark band due to arrangement of actin and myosin filament. Just remember this thing. We'll see in detail about the actin and myosin in locomotion chapter. And these fibers are bundled together and enclosed by connective tissue sheet. Okay, वेयर इट इज प्रेजेंट बोन्स में, बाइसेप्स, ट्राइसेप्स. और देखो, हम अपने अकॉर्डिंगली अपने हैंड लेग्स मूव कर सकते हैं, वो हमारी विल के अकॉर्डिंग हो सकता है. So that is voluntary. Okay, voluntary control है. Contraction can be consciously controlled, responsible for body movement, locomotion, posture, maintenance. This is the function of skeletal muscle. Clear? Facial muscles, limb muscle, and they easily fatigue. मतलब ये जल्दी से थक जाते हैं. Okay, यहाँ पर fast contraction होता है. fast contraction and rich blood supply. Okay, so this is about skeleton muscle. Now let's see about smooth muscle. वेट अ मिनट, इसलिए स्केलेटन मसल को स्टेरिएट कह रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टेरिएशन प्रेजेंट है, वॉलेंट्री इसलिए क्योंकि ये हमारे कंट्रोल में है। नेक्स्ट स्मूथ मसल्स, ये नॉन स्टेरिएटेड है, मींस यहाँ पे स्टेरिएशंस हमें देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे, लाइट एंड डार्क। इनवॉलेंट्री है, हमारे अकॉर्डिंगली फंक्शन नहीं करेगा। फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं, स्पिंडल शेप्ड है, फ्यूजिफॉर्म स्पिंडल शेप्ड है, टैपरिंग एट बोथ द एंड, सिंगल न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट। ओके, पर सेल नो स्टेरिएशंस, कोई भी लाइट एंड डार्क बैंड हमने देखने को नहीं दिखाई देगा। एंड इट इज हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय सेल जंक्शंस एंड सराउंडेड बाय कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से सराउंडेड होता है स्मूथ मसल। ओके, location where we can find in the wall of internal organs such as stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, blood vessels. All these organs are functioning according to the brain or the okay, accordingly, but not according to us. Okay, is it like that ki you'll tell stomach, okay, now start the process of protein digestion, so stomach will start? No, it's not going to happen in that way. So it is involuntary, it's not under control. Involuntary control है, not under conscious control. It examples like it helps in peristalsis, wave like movement of food happens in digestive tract, esophagus में. Okay, and regulation of blood flow, this is under the control of smooth muscle like iris muscle. Examples like iris muscle, eye, ciliary body muscle, stomach, intestine. Okay, नाउ कार्डियक मसल, द नेम इटसेल्फ कार्डियक, हार्ट से रिलेटेड है, हार्ट में होता है। ओके, फाउंड ओनली इन हार्ट, सिर्फ हमें हार्ट में दिखाई देता है। अगेन इट इज सिलेंड्रिकल, ओके, एंड ब्रांच्ड, branching we can see here in cardiac muscle with per, okay, it is uninucleated, so one nucleus that will be in the center. Okay, एक nucleus present होता है, वो center पे होता है. The cells are connected by intercalated disc, very important, it is connected by intercalated disc. Okay, and specialized junction for electrical and mechanical connection. It shows striations, मतलब यहाँ पे again dark light band हमें देखने को मिलता है. Okay, and it is involuntary, just like smooth muscles. बोथ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है यहाँ पे, स्टेरिएशन से स्केलेटन मसल का, इनवॉलेंट्री स्मूथ मसल के जैसे. फंक्शन रिदमिक एंड कंटिन्यूस कॉन्ट्रैक्शन pumps the blood throughout the body, and at the same time it is involuntary, means it's not under control, it is controlled by the pacemaker cells and autonomic nervous system. You'll see pacemaker, what is autonomic nervous system, nervous neural control, and pacemaker in the chapter circulation, blood circulation. Contractions are synchronized due to communication through intercalated disc के communication के through contraction synchronized है. Okay, so remember it is cylindrical, branched, and one nucleus per cell, that too at the center. It is striated and involuntary, two things at the same time. So let's see this table here. Skeleton muscle long है, striated है, multinucleated है, unbranched है, cylindrical है, voluntary है, attached to the bones, limbs, facial muscles. Example, movement and posture is the function of skeleton muscle. Smooth muscle, spindle shaped, single nucleus, and non-striated, no striation is there. It is involuntary in function, present in the wall of organs, iris muscles, stomach, urinary bladder. Okay, peristalsis, movement of food into the esophagus, flow of blood. Then cardiac muscle in heart, it is branched, striations are there, and intercalated disc which helps in the communication. Then involuntary in function, present in heart, and the function is to pump the blood. So see the diagram here. The first one, it is cylindrical, and you see the nucleus is present at the peripheral side, so it is skeletal muscle. Okay, striations are also present, as you can see, dark light, skeletal muscle है ये. Okay, skeletal muscle. Then this one, spindle shaped with one nucleus per cell, and nucleus is present at the center. So smooth muscle fiber, no striations, involuntary. The third one, striations are there, nucleus is present, uninucleated per cell, one nucleus, that too at the center, we can tell. And there is a junction between the cell, between adjacent cell के बीच में junction है, that is not through intercalated disc. Do remember this thing. And it is also involuntary in function only in heart. That's why cardiac muscle. This is all about muscular tissue. Okay, in detail you will be studying about the muscles in chapter locomotion and movement. Okay, so this was all about today's session. I'll be seeing you with the next muscle, neural muscle nerve. Okay, meanwhile, do like the session, do subscribe to my channel, everyone. Okay, I'll be coming up with the more new topics. Take care, keep studying.